My name is Joe Ramirez. I'm 24 years old, and I work at Power and Construction Group in their Towers division. Right out of class, I started at my current company at Power and Construction Group, and I've been there for a little over 2.5 years. Before there, I was a cook. I did some liberal arts at MCC, and didn't work out for me, so I took up that cooking, and my mother was getting a little fed up with me just doing nothing at home. We went on the website, found Arc and Flame in their information session. I may have not wanted to do it at the time, but we came and I decided to take up the Arc and Flame program. Turned out being a great idea. Before I was enrolled here, work was more of a, go there and get the job done, but don't take any passion in it. We work on the transmission lines all over New York State. Usually there's a lot of rot and rust on them, and we need to assess the damage and do either steel repairs on them or paint them. You have to be able to get muddy, get dirty, get in a hole. It's not pretty work. And stick welding is definitely the job for that. And here we focused heavily on each process. And I think the fact that we did such heavy work in each of them was able to not only give me the basics, but my overall progression was farther along than most. I think for me, the most valuable part is going to work and feeling confident in what I do. I think a lot of what we learned here is the torch and the fabrication side of it. And we do fabricate a lot in my job, and we use that on a day-to-day basis. This industry specifically allows me to be confident in that I can support not only myself, but my family members in a lifestyle that I'd like to live and be comfortable. A lot of people might be in my shoes of kind of stuck in a rut and don't know what to do with their career, their life in general. And the trades offer a different route that, like I said before, wasn't prescribed by your school teachers or maybe your parents. At least give it a try. This is definitely another road that you can take. And the Arc and Flame program gives you one of those opportunities. It opens a door for you.